So I'll take it from the top. I've already removed everything that needs to be removed in order to get to the turbo. As you can see here, I removed some coolant hoses. I've removed a pipe that goes into the vacuum hose there from the manifold. I've already removed the manifold here. You can see the screws here. There are 10 of them, 10 lug nuts. And for this particular model, since it's a 4motion, you need to remove the rear engine mount. As you can see, it's the guy lying down there, this metal bracket thingy right here. And yeah, it's a Garret turbo for this car. There can be 2 different models, but on this it's a Garret. And you can see here, that's the lower mount of the turbo. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to clean that off, and I'm going to replace it with the brand new turbo which I ordered here in Sweden. And yeah, I'll try to raise the car up and show you guys how you do this, because I couldn't find anything on YouTube, so I had to do this all on my own with a couple of tips from the Volkswagen guys. So what is supposed to be here is the air filter box. Air is fed into the air filter box through this hole, and then it's delivered to the turbo via a hole in the side, approximately here. So I'll show you the air filter box now. There it is, and it's mounted like so. Air goes in here, and it's mounted like this actually in the car. So air comes in here, and it's filtered through and goes past the EGR sensor, no, the air mass sensor I mean, and then it goes directly into the turbo there and there. So I just removed that in order to get better access to the turbo. This is the rubber gasket that the rear engine mount rests on. It's below that thing I showed you earlier. You're gonna need a spline for this job. You're gonna need this particular spline. It's M12, as you can see here. I don't know if you can see that, but that's an M12. Without it, you can't do this job. You're also going to need your regular tools like yeah, wrenches and sockets and so on. You're especially going to need this one, 16mm glow spark socket thingy. Yeah, so that's it. This is the old turbo. It's totally jammed. You can see the turbine doesn't move. So if you were to refurbish this, you will need to replace the middle part here, which is the actual turbo. All this stuff is, yeah, you got the valve here, but all this rest of the stuff here is just metal. The actual turbo is in here. So here I got the new turbo, which is what I'm going to replace.